classic recipe, curried eggs over jacket potatoes. Hi everyone, welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. You know, everybody knows baked potatoes with beans, with butter, with chili, whatever, you know, cheese, but not everybody serves them this way anymore. I'm making a creamy, comforting, absolutely delicious dish on these baked potatoes. And once you've tried it, beans might be in second place. Let's get on, come on. So we got a couple of nice potatoes here. We're going to stab them all over, put a little cut in them, stick them in the microwave for 10 minutes. Now it doesn't matter which way that you stab your potatoes. You can stab with a fork all over, or you can get a meat tenderizer with about 50 spikes and stab your potatoes. It is entirely up to you. If you're using one of these, just be careful. And you want something to microwave it in. Of course you do. So that is going in there. So this is a meat tenderizer, not a potato stabby thing. Potatoes, open that vent, stick them in the microwave 10 minutes. And what we'll do, after about 5 minutes, we'll turn them over and let them carry on. We have an onion. We're going to fine dice, well, fine-ish dice. We're not fine dicing, are we? Come on. In there. Just dice it any which way you normally do. Now you want your oven on about 220. You've got a little bit of garlic. We'll have that. Give that a bit of a mashing. Now you can fine grate it, you can do whatever. Up to you. We're just going to give it a knife over the top, and that will do it. So for all those people that don't want to use garlic, don't use it. Right, we're going to boil some eggs in there with some water. Get your eggs in there. Okay, I boiled some eggs the other day, you know, and people made loads of comments on the channel. Why did you stir the eggs? Why did you put salt in? You know, does salt go through the shells for flavour? No. Look, let me tell you what I do, okay? If the egg has got a crack in it and it started to leak white, egg white from inside, I stir it and add salt. Now, for me it works. It solidifies the egg whites. That's all. You know, it might not work for you. Okay, these taties are on for 5 minutes. I'm going to take them out and I'm going to score a line round them. Out come the potatoes. Now they are hot. Obviously we've started microwaving. You can just give them a little minute. And we're going to score a line round. I actually forgot to score the line round before I put them in. I'll be perfectly honest. You know, normally I score a line round, prick the potatoes, shove them in the microwave. I forgot. So what you're looking to do is actually come in from about halfway. And halfway into your potato. Okay? In there. Round. Done. Now if you do this, I'm teaching you to suck eggs. There you go. There's our potatoes. Turn them over. Back in the microwave 5 minutes. Now, like I say, I apologise. I should have done it right from the start. Okay, our eggs look like they're coming up to temp. We're going to boil these for about 8-9 minutes, something like that. Okay, our potatoes. There you go. Let's have that off of there. Okay, take your potatoes on there. Get rid of that dish. Want a little bit of oil on there, whether you use veg or... Look, it doesn't matter what oil actually, just put some oil on. Up to you, whatever you normally use, okay? Just a little bit. Coat it all up. Now don't forget this thing's hot, so watch it because it's heating the oil up, so it's going to be hot. A little bit of salt. Up to you how much you put on. I like those salty, crispy, golden skins. Right, you whack that in the oven. That goes in the oven about 20, 25, 30 minutes tops. There you go. Okay, when you've had about 9 minutes, something like that, let's have those under the tap. Run some cold water in, let's cool them off. Okay, peel your eggs. I'm not giving a demonstration on how to peel eggs. I was inundated with all sorts of stuff. I'm not really bothered how you peel your eggs. Right, you decide, do you want to cut the eggs in half or do you want to chop them up? I want to chop them up, okay? And look, oh my goodness, there's no grey ring. Oof. So we're just going to do that, yeah? We want some chunks of egg in there. That will do nicely. Okay, I'll bring in a pan. We want to start knocking this together, don't we? In there with some butter. Right, we want a nice amount of butter because we're actually going to cook off the onions and garlic and we'll make a roux, okay? Get a little flame on and we're going in there with our onions. Now we're going to make a next level curry sauce to go with this. Now it's not curry where you're going to have loads of spice and things like this. It's flavour, okay? If you want to put chili and things in there, feel free. In there your onions. And you know, you can take the less steps of this if you so wish. Just make a roux and chuck in some curry powder. But we're going to bloom the curry powder properly so we get the maximised flavour in here. It's all about cooking properly, isn't it? Come on. There's no point just stuffing a teaspoon of curry powder in there and calling it curried. Cook them properly. Take that extra minute to do it. And these onions are going to take about 8 minutes, somewhere around about there. Nice and steady. If you get colour, so be it. We're not trying for colour, we're just taking the rawness out and making them soft. Now we can add a little pinch of salt. That'll draw some moisture out. And a little bit of black pepper. We can pepper up again later. I don't think we're going to need much salt, but you know, we give it a taste and we see. Nice little chucking about in there with that butter, look. Okay, and there your garlic. Now, we want about a minute on this, about 30 seconds to a minute. There's enough butter in here not to burn this. So you can go a little bit longer in cooking, yeah? Just keep an eye on it. Give it a little stir around. Oh, that smells marvellous. In there, tablespoon of curry powder of choice. Mild curry powder, hot, who cares, it's up to you. And a little bit of extra turmeric for colour. Nice little stir in and bloom your curry powder. About a minute. So we've had a nice little blooming on there. Look, you know, we're not worried, we're not panicking about it. It ain't burning. In there, some flour. I've got a couple of heaped tablespoons. And we're just going to stir that in and cook out the rawness of the flour. Okay, in there, milk. This thing is going to start to thicken. Don't worry about this flour. It's going to rehydrate in there. We ain't going to have any lumps. All these people that panic over a lumpy sauce, there ain't going to be any lumps in here. There you go, look, it's thickening up. We might be adding a little bit more milk in there. Chicken stock. chicken stock made out of a stock cube. So just stir it round nice and steady. The flour will rehydrate. Don't rush. In there, a splash of Worcester. Now somebody complained, don't say Worcester, it's Worcestershire. Well, look, Worcestershire sauce, up to you. In there, Dijon. Now you can use English mustard as well, or not as well, either. Okay, now if you want more sauce than this, because this is quite thick, I'm going to add a little bit more milk, and the milk can cook in here nice and steady, give us a sauce. Better to add warm milk, but this is cold, so add it round the side of the pan and then stir it in. Little pinch of sugar to that, optional. Little shake of black pepper. Now we're going to push it up a bit with just a little bit of cream. Nice little stir through. Oh, now it's luxurious. Look at that. Just bring that in, let it all warm back up there, and we're sticking our egg in here. Okay, here comes the dilemma. Scallions, green onions, or a little bit of coriander. What do you want to stir through it is up to you. Green onion, and if you like that cilantro coriander flavour, get that in there. Stir that through, low flame, in with our egg. In there. Don't be rough with it, just stir it through until it's fully incorporated. Couple of minutes and that's going to warm through. We're ready to serve. Okay, out with your jacket spuds. Look at those things. Crispy skins. Okay, get the tatty that you want. Okay, we got that split in there for a reason, didn't we? Grab a fork or anything. There you go. Fluff up your tatty inside and stick some butter in. Come on, you know it makes sense. In there. Now you can mash it in, you can season this, anything you so wish. Entirely up to you, just want that lovely richness in there. Oh, yes, please. Straight down the middle. Dress it up if you so wish. Whatever you wish. Cilantro, green onions, up to you. Oh, we're in. Now I've eaten this 1,000 times. It's fantastic. Got lovely, crunchy jacket potato skins. And we've got our egg curry. Oh, look at that, our curried eggs. Off the charts. That is absolutely sensational. It's got that richness, there's no spiciness in there at all. You can add that if you want. Banging curry flavour, you got the onions in there. Oh, buttery, it's delicious. That is a good meal right there. Now if you've had it or make it, let me know in the comments. Apparently it's very big down under now. It's made quite a lot in Australia, more than any other place I reckon. It's amazing. And you can't beat those crunchy skins on those potatoes. Come on. Absolutely love it. Protein packed. We got potato. It's buttery. Oh, it's delicious. So there you go. That's a classic take on baked potatoes and curried eggs. Hope you give it a go. Share with your friends. Tell them how easy it is to make curried eggs. A classic recipe over jacket potatoes. There you go. If you like what we're doing, big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, ring that bell. And we'll catch you in the next video. Oh, yes, please. Amazing.